Hello friends, today we are going to discuss chapter 1 of mathematics, that is real number. So the first question is the decimal form of 129225775 is. So the correct option is option C, non-terminating, non-repeating. Question second is HCF of 8925 is 1 because the number 8, 9 and 25 does not have any common factor. Question 3. Which of the following is not irrational? So the correct option is option C. The product of rational and irrational number is always irrational. Option B. The sum of a rational and irrational number is irrational. The product of two different irrational numbers is always irrational. The sum of two rational numbers is always irrational. If b is 3, then any integer can be expressed as a equals to 3q plus 1. Option D is correct. The product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by only 1 because any three consecutive integer may not have any common factor except 1. The set of A equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot dot represents the set of whole numbers. Which number is divisible by 11? So the correct option is option B, 1452. LCM of the given number x and y where y is a multiple of x is given by. So the correct option is option C, y into x. The largest number that will divide 398 and 436 and 542, leaving remainder 7, 11 and 15 respectively is. The correct option is 17. There are 312 and 260 and 156 students in class 10th, 11th and 12th respectively. Buses are to be hired to take these students to a picnic. Find the maximum number of students who can sit in a bus if each bus takes equal number of students. We have to take an HCF of this number and the HCF is 52. There is a circular path around a sports field. Priya takes 18 meters to drive one round of the field. Harsh takes 12 meters. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how much minute will they meet? So we have to take the LCM of this question. So the correct option is option A, 36 minutes. Our next question is express 98 as a product of its prime. So after prime factorization of 98, so its prime factors are 2 into 7 square. 3 farmers having 490 kg, 588 kg and 882 kg of wheat respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a bag so that the wheat can be bagged in exact number of bags. We have to take the LCM of the respective numbers. So the HCF of the numbers is 98. For some integers p where even integer is in the form of. The correct option is 2p. For some integer p, every odd integer is in form of. Correct option is option B. नहीं सॉरी ऑप्शन ए 2p+1. m2 m square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if m is a natural number. If two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a equals to x by 3 and b x I by 2z, x and y being prime number, then the LCM is option D, which is x 4y 3z. The product of a non-zero rational and an irrational number is always irrational. If two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a equals to x by 3 and b equals to x 4y 2z, x and y being prime numbers, then HCF of AB is, so the HCF of AB is xy square. The largest number which divides 60 and 75, leaving 8 and 10 as remainder respectively, is 13. We have to take LCM of the given numbers by subtracting the number 8 and 10 from 60 and 75. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 5 is 60. By taking LCM of all the numbers from 1 to 5, we can get the answer, which is 60. The least number that is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 8 is 840. The decimal expansion of the rational number 1458750 will terminate after one decimal place. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, please comment, like and subscribe and press the bell icon. The decimal expansion of the rational number 972 into 54 will terminate after 3 decimal places. Option C. The product of two consecutive natural numbers is always even number. If the HCF of 408 and 1032 is expressible in the form of 1032 into 2 plus 408 into p, then the value of p is minus 5. The number in the form of 4p plus 3, where p is a whole number, will always be even or odd. When a number is divided by 7, its remainder is always less than 7. Option C is correct. 6 plus 5 root 3 minus 4 minus 3 root 3 is an irrational number. If HCF of 16 and y is 8 and LCM is 16, y is 48, then the value of y is 24. According to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, if t, a prime number, divides b2 where b is more than 0, then t divides t divides b also. The number pi is irrational number. If LCM of 77 and 99 equals to 693, then HCF of 77 and 99 is 11. Euclid division lemma states that for two positive integers a and b, there exists a unique integer q and r such that a equals to b q plus r, where r must satisfy which r is less than or equals to b and more than 0. Option B is correct. I hope you liked the video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद और अगर कोई गलती हुई हो तो वो कमेंट में बताएं ताकि उसे हम लोग और सुधार के अगले वीडियो में आपके लिए डालें. थैंक यू.